This is my fifth attempt, and I want you to know that my eyes are blurry right now because of this light. You do not have to put out a video every day. Hi guys, my name is Bukola, and if you're new to my channel and you love what I do here, please consider clicking on the subscribe button, turn on your post notification as well so that you always get notified anytime I drop new videos. And yeah, let's go straight into today's video, you guys. I know this is 2021 and 2021 is still pretty much new, and a lot of us, part of our new year resolution thing going on is starting a YouTube channel, or probably just start, like you just want to start your YouTube channel. I'm going to be sharing my mistakes. I'm going to be sharing mistakes that you should not make. I'm going to be sharing my personal mistakes. And trust me, these are things that whenever I just pick up my pen and paper, I can write them out because they are my real mistakes, like my own real mistakes. So, number one mistake that I will share with you guys, or number one thing that I will tell you not to do while starting out, for those that are just starting out, mainly for those that are just starting out, because I know that once you get to maybe 1,000 subscribers, YouTube will start pushing out your content small, and you start having lots more audience, and you'll start subscribing to your channel. But you guys know the main issue is just crossing that 1K bridge and that 4K watch hour bridge, and I know that's one of the main issues starting out YouTube channel. And so I'm just going to be sharing my own mistakes. I don't want you to make all these mistakes. And my number one mistake is, do not do sub for sub. I know you've been hearing a lot of people say don't do sub for sub, and if I have to be honest with you, that is the truth. Don't do it. Anytime you want to do it, I want my name to be ringing on your head. I told you not to do it. Don't do sub for sub. Do you know why? A lot of all these people doing sub for sub online, especially, they are Indians. Indians are the ones that are very active on Facebook doing sub for sub, and they're not even interested in what you are doing. The only thing they are interested in is how their numbers is going to count, and they are so desperate to a point that they are still going to come back to unsubscribe from your channel, or even YouTube not counting that as a subscriber. And you see that by the time you wake up or leave your channel for a few hours and you go and reload or you refresh your page, you will notice that subscribers, they have dropped, and where they go we don't know. So one of those things are bound to happen. Don't do sub for sub. It's not good for your YouTube algorithm. It's not good for your views. It's not good for anything. Don't do it. Please don't even try. I wish I had someone who would tell me not to do it then, and I did not like watch more videos to know that this thing, they are not good. I just went on Facebook that time and I saw somebody saying a 1K subscriber between 24 hours or whatever thing. I'm like, oh, this is what I'm looking for, and that was why I went for it. So please do not do sub for sub. I am begging you in the name of Jesus, God, Lord, and everything. Don't do sub for sub. So the second one that I want to talk about is, do not box yourself. I know when you're starting out, people are going to tell you find a niche, find what you love doing, and keep doing it. Yes, it is good, but don't box yourself up. You can move with the YouTube flow, with the YouTube viral content as well. Sometimes you can shock it in with some vlogs as well. Don't box yourself like this is what you have to do. Let's say you are doing videos that are related to finances, and you just sit down and talk to people about how they are meant to spend their salary, if their salary is between this range and something like that. On days that you don't even have an idea of content to create, you can go as far as reacting to people who have shared their own budget or their own income, and you might just react to them. You might do reaction videos, you might shock it in with some vlogs, maybe record yourself throughout the day. Don't kill yourself. Don't say it's a must though. Sometimes even a lot of YouTubers are no longer doing what they start out with. So don't kill yourself, don't box yourself, don't be depressed that you have to do a certain particular thing. Sometimes just make sure that you give out a very good content, and it doesn't have to be just one all the time. You might decide to just like leave that box and do something new, basically. So do not box yourself. The third one I will talk about is, you do not have to put out a video every day. I know we talk more on consistency, I know we talk more on power of consistency, but sis, don't kill yourself. You don't have to put out videos every day if it doesn't fit into your plan. this is it. There are people who have 9 to 5 and they are still trying to build their YouTube channel as a side income, something like that. And you kind of feel like you have to constantly put out videos every day, or maybe because people around you are putting out content every day, you want to copy them. Or maybe you are married, you have kids, you have family to take care of, the other person does not even have anything for themselves, and you want to start comparing your time with their own time. Or maybe you have a 9 to 5, the other person does not have a 9 to 5, and you want to start comparing yourself to them. But if you have nothing that you're doing and you can put out a video every day, it is not bad. If it fits into your plan, to be honest, I'm not against it, because I did it last year a lot. I was so consistent because that was one thing. YouTube was one thing, like a major job for me. It was like my job. So I could put it out. And reason is because my editing game as well was not strong. I don't need to lie to you people. I attended an editing class recently and it made me realize that editing is not beans. Sometimes it might take you hours to put out a video. Not even when my system keeps telling me that my memory is full. So I know that sometimes it might be so difficult for you to put out content. In fact, if you have people who genuinely love you and you give them 3 content in a week, they are going to love you. If you now have followers or subscribers that knows what's up with editing, they are going to even now love you more for putting or being able to put out 3 content in a week. So you don't have to kill yourself. If you can work with 3, if you can work with 2, if you can work with 4, if you can work with 5, it doesn't need to be all the time. And I mean it, because nobody told me that. I thought putting out videos every day was the meaning of consistency. I thought put out video every day is equals to consistency, but no, it is not. So make sure that you put out videos, but not, you don't need to put out video every day if it does not fit into your plans. Don't kill yourself. I love you. Nobody told you I love you, so I don't want you to kill yourself. Don't do that. The fourth one I'll be talking about is write your ideas down. See, even me that I'm talking right now, you are supposed to beat me because I'm sitting, lying down, sleeping on this table. Sometimes some ideas will come to my head. I'll be holding my phone. Instead of me to go straight to my notes and just typing those ideas, I'll be like, I'll remember, Joel, I'll remember. Hey, let me just bring out my videos that I want to film. And before you know it, I did not remember Jack. I'm like, but I thought I was going to remember this thing. How come? I can't remember anything. So always try as much as possible to put down your ideas. Put as it is coming to your head. You know all those people that used to write music. You know sometimes it might be in the bathroom and inspiration will come. You don't know, maybe it's when you are turning that swallow that your own inspiration is going to come. Write it down. Go and pick up your phone and write down your ideas. Okay, so that you don't forget and you're able to film it. You don't know if that is even going to be your viral content. I don't know. But please write down your ideas. Write down your ideas. So you guys, the last one I will talk about is do not attach or put too much of emotions to your YouTube. Reason is because there is nothing that is like fixed on YouTube. I am not telling you not to celebrate your wins. Sis, when you get to that 500 subscribers, celebrate your 10 wins. When you get to 1,000 subscribers, celebrate your wins. 5,000, celebrate everything. What I mean by not attaching emotions to it is there are days you are going to be getting 20,000 subscribers and there are days that you are going to be getting 60 up. There are days that you're going to be getting 20 subscribers. If you're able to get 20,000 subscribers a day, sister, I am coming to ask you the type of God that you're serving because I need to know it. So you can, so on days that you have 20 subscribers and on days that you have 60 subscribers, I don't want you to feel down on days that you have 20 subscribers, because the following day you might have a better or way more. 20 subscribers is even much. What are you saying? So maybe following day you might even have more subscribers as well. So when you attach emotions to it, it might kill your drive. I've been there. I know what it feels like. There was a time that around that July, I think July is still my highest subscriber month. I think that month I had about 4,007 or 8 subscribers, and there were days in a week that I was getting 200 subscribers. There was a particular week in that month that I was getting 200, 190, 185 subscribers a day. You guys, I was already calculating how much my subscribers are going to be by the end of next 2 years if it continues that way, forgetting that nothing is fixed. So I was attaching emotions to it, and on days that those things were not happening, I wanted to feel down, but this is not going to happen to me. So Please and please don't attach emotions to it. Just make sure you keep working, and you don't know which viral content it is going to be, and that's why you need to keep giving out content. So see, these are my mistakes. I know there are still some that I don't remember, but I want you to know that I didn't write this out from anywhere. It is straight from my mistake, from my head. I just picked up my pen today and I wrote down my mistakes that I made on YouTube, and I'm like, let me just make a video about it. And that's the honest truth. These are my own mistakes. So if you've ever been in this situation as well, if you've ever been through any of these ones that I mentioned as well, let me know in the comment section. Here to share your own mistakes as well in the comment section. Also, let me know. I'm going to be in the comment section checking, because we all know this YouTube thing is not easy sometimes, especially if you don't have large followers on other social media platforms. You might struggle while starting. So that was why I decided to share my own mistakes, because I was once that person, no social media following. I've never even posted the link to my YouTube channel or my WhatsApp before, since I started. So all I did is just YouTube, and I keep pushing YouTube. Sometimes I post my link on Facebook as well. Sometimes I just allow you to do their thing. So instead of you doing sub for sub, please, you can just go to social media like Instagram, look for people that have large followers, go to their comment section. You know, all this media accounts, all these media pages on Instagram. You can go and turn on their post notification, that whenever they post, it notifies you that they are post. Then go to their comment section. You're going to see active people that are dropping comments. Don't go and meet people that have blue ticks, or else your message is going to be there unattended to. So go down, 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 and start going into people's DM. Know how to construct something that when people read it, they are going to be ready to help you, and they are going to subscribe to your channel. You might get your first 500 subscribers with that technique. Trust me. So instead of being sub for sub, I am going to allow that. It takes a time. It's going to take your time, I know, but just know that these people are people who are potential viewers. Yeah, they are potential viewers. They don't even know who's going to, especially when they are people from your home place. They are potential viewers. They can watch your videos any moment from now, and they might even follow you on Instagram as well. And then that's how they become a celebrity, and that's how you're going to become a celebrity. So that's all I have to share, guys. Thank you guys so much for coming on my channel today. This is my fifth attempt, and I want you to know that my eyes are blurry right now because of this light. But please, the only thing you can use to compensate me is just to click on the subscribe button, turn on your post notification as well, so that I can eat. If you did not click on subscribe button, if you did not watch my hand, if you did not do all of those things, there is no how I'm going to eat. So please make sure you do all of those things, and I will definitely see you guys in my next video. And if no one ever good today, I want you to know that you are amazing, you are beautiful, you're fine, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.